Good afternoon. This is Vance Benton, principal of Patterson High School. Today we were honored to have the Lieutenant Governor of Rutherford and all those instrumental in making Patterson High School the first TRAC school in the state of Maryland.
With the rising demand for efficient transportation, there is a growing need for civil engineers. With TRAC students at Patterson High School, they will be able to take advantage of these opportunities and expand their STEM education.
TRAC is an excellent opportunity for MDOT to fulfill our core mission. We work with dedicated educators and develop the next generation of civil engineers.
The kids are really excited. They enjoy, of course, anything that's a competitive aspect, whether that be testing the bridge and seeing how much weight it can hold. They also built a maglev, which involves electrical engineering and also transportation engineering.
I want to do civil engineering because when I was young, I always liked to build stuff. But I want to build like things when I get older, build and design. I like to build bridges too, so I'm also interested in that.
The most exciting part about it is just to see the amazing designs and sketches, the ideas that these kids can come up with, you know.
Hello, my name is Amta. I'm a junior at Patterson High School. We built the suspended bridge for the track bridge competition. We spend a lot of time to do it, but we have a lot of fun too.
Right now, the industry partners like Lockheed, Northrop, and UPS, they come to our classrooms to work with our students. They offer internships. I spent 15 years in engineering and 22 years in teaching, and I've never looked back. We are